In today's video, I'm going to be exposing the top 4 things that you can do as a brand new real estate agent to be experienced agents in your market. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is DUNN, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions of dollars worth of real estate using my social strategies for agents, teams, and brokers all over North America. Now, along with my partner, we actually sell homes in Boca Raton in Florida, and over the last few years, we've actually helped over 100 agents now add an additional $100,000 and up in GCI to their business through our coaching and EXP mentorship program. So if you are interested in learning more about our coaching or joining our team at EXP, both those are in the description below. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 4 strategies that you could use as a brand new agent to beat experienced agents in your market. So my first tip is about being a knowledgeable agent and studying the market in depth. Being an experienced agent doesn't automatically mean they are a knowledgeable agent. And this is an important delineation. If you are a knowledgeable agent, people will build trust with you and they will see you as an authority far more than just years under your belt. There is plenty of experienced agents who have been in the business for 10 plus years that you probably know who still sell very few homes. It doesn't mean they're a knowledgeable agent. If anything, it probably means they're not a knowledgeable agent. So when you are starting out, spend a lot of time getting a deep understanding of the market you are serving. So when you do speak with leads, you can convey exactly what they want to hear about the market, about the properties they're interested in, and they will see you as an authority. My second tip ties directly into the first one. When you have deep market knowledge and you are seen as that authority, that will convey confidence. You will feel far more confident about what you're saying, which is the second tip. It's about having that confidence when you are speaking with clients, and that confidence will come from a deep understanding from the market you serve. So make sure you spend the time to understand that market, to attain the knowledge. So when you speak with clients, you speak with confidence and you will get the authority, and you will definitely win deals from people who have more experience or years in the market. Number 3 is taking advantage of the extra time you have. Now, right now, you're not closing as many deals as you want. I get it. Now, you need to take advantage of this time and actually educate yourself and learn. So this could be using YouTube for free, using podcasts. It could be paying for coaching or courses to get an understanding of how you can grow your real estate business quickly and efficiently. And you need to be using all that spare time that you're not working leads and closing deals to actually get a better understanding of the market, to educate yourself, to give yourself more training, to give yourself more skills. So when you are in the field closing deals and speaking with clients, that you are prepared as you could ever be. So number 4 is about building a brand. Now, this is super important when you are a new agent and you want to do it right away. There is plenty of older and seasoned agents who feel trapped by the brokerage they're with because they didn't take the time to build a brand off the bat. So when you're starting out, this is something as simple as choosing a business name and a domain for your business. So for example, this could be Andrew Sells Homes, and then my email would be andrew@andrewsellshomes.com. Now, this is extremely important because irrespective of what brokerage you move to, or you could set up a new one, an indie brokerage, whatever you want to do, everyone will always communicate with you through your brand and not through anything from the brokerage. So building a brand from the get-go also will give you something tangible that if in the future you could sell or wanted to sell, it would actually be something there that you could sell. It's not directly tied to a brokerage. This is why a lot of people who are successful, say on YouTube, for example, that is an asset they own and it is part of their brand, their real estate brand. And now they're with brokers. They're not indie brokerages, right? But, they are associated with their brand. Like an example I've given in previous episodes is the Inked Realtor. That is his brand. All right. That's not his brokerage. You want to set yourself up right away. So get yourself a domain and your company name and set that all up. So when you are getting into real estate, people will always communicate with you through your brand, and you are building a brand. You are building your own asset that you will ultimately own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. My 4 top tips for new agents beating out more experienced and knowledgeable agents in the market. These 4 things are really going to help give you a leg up when you are just starting out. So if you are interested in getting an even faster leg up and you're interested in our coaching or potentially joining us at EXP, both those links are in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.